Chillaners. Today, we're showing you how to solve another mathematical puzzle. So the first thing I want to do is add up what each of these actually are. So 1 plus 4 does equal 5, 2 plus 5 does equal 7, 3 plus 6 equals 9, etc, etc. But what I also notice is that the answers, well, that goes up by 7. This answer then goes up by 9. Therefore, it would make sense that this is a running tally. A sum of all its previous answers. So therefore 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 equals 12. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 equals 21. So therefore our answer will be all of the numbers added up before it. There will be in this spot a 4, 5, 6, 7, and in this spot a 7, 8, 9, 10. So really, the answer is all of the numbers from 1 to 8 added up, plus all the numbers from 4 to 11 added up. Therefore, our answer will be 96. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you got a different answer, and I'll see you in the next video.